And the winner of our first ever viewer tip-off is Design Expert Charlotte!
Today, I'm going to share with you some of our favorite kids crafts that we are going to make for holiday gifts. The key to doing projects with kids is to be organized and ready for them. So everyone is at school right now and I am setting up the workspace. We are going to do 3 craft projects. There is a little bit of paint involved, so I'm going to put down some drop cloths, but these are the supplies we're working with. Everyone is home from school, so we're going to do shaving cream marbling first. So what you two are going to do is you are going to spray shaving cream onto your cookie sheets.
Ooh, it smells good.
Take your fingers and just spread it out a little. Yeah. Get your craft paint and you're gonna drizzle it over the shaving cream. Now you're gonna get a toothpick or a wooden dowel, and this is where the fun begins. You're gonna run the dowel through the paint and it creates this really beautiful marbled effect. Press your paper down into the shaving cream. You don't want it to be too rough, but you want to see the shaving cream squish out. And then pull it back. You think that looks good? Not really. You can be honest. Grab a piece of scrap cardboard and you are going to scrape it across the paper. You want to apply quite a bit of pressure because your goal is to scrape off all of that shaving cream.
That's cool.
So we're gonna let these dry and then we'll do something fun with them. As a finishing touch for the marbled paper, the kids each wrote L-O-V-E on some hearts that we cut out and we taped them in place. And I think it's such a cute piece of art. This next craft involves paint. I suggest covering your work surface, maybe put smocks on the kids, but this is with these mini canvases. So you are going to start by letting your kids paint each of the canvases. For these ones, I need your help because we want to add a little pattern to them. You can either do crisscross with your tape and then we'll paint this side, and the tape means that when you take it off, you'll have a nice line. We glued all of our graphic canvases onto a piece of cardboard and then glued some dowels around the edges for a frame. So that is our group artwork there. Need to put you two to work. Sandpaper. So you see how on the edge it's rough? So what you're gonna do is you're gonna sand the corners until it doesn't feel rough. Once all your corners and rough edges are smooth, let your children write the initial of their first or last name. They can choose. And then this is where an adult needs to get involved. This is a wood burner. I was able to get this online for about $14. And if you press it down onto the wood, it's going to burn where I wrote my monogram. The final step is to glue a clip in place so you can hold a photograph. And then when that's dry, I can tuck my picture in. So cute! Happy holidays from my family to yours.